What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, as always, we have another full day in the world of cryptocurrency. Ups and downs. Sometimes it may be up, sometimes it may be down, but we are still riding the emotional roller coaster. Some days are better than others, and today just happens to be one of those days that is better than others. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about one of the small cap meme coins that I have been dollar cost averaging in over the past few weeks during this bit of a downturn in the market. But before we get into our coin of the day, first let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is $56,780. Bitcoin is pulling out of the rut that it has been in over the past week or so. Folks have been falling out. They've been fainting, passing out, getting nervous, filled with a bunch of fear because Bitcoin did touch the $52,000 level. But Bitcoin is pulling out today as the traditional finance market, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, is pulling out of the rut also. So Bitcoin is doing its thing, up 3.5% for the day, up about $1,800, about $2,000 in one day, which is excellent. $56,780 for one Bitcoin is an excellent price. We'll take that at this particular point in time. The Bitcoin dominance is holding strong at 56%. We love to see that level. The Fear and Greed Index is at 41. Yesterday or earlier yesterday morning, we did see the Fear and Greed Index get to the low 30s, maybe even the high 20s. So folks were panicking, freaking out. That's because they're not over there in the Patreon, I'm proud of you guys over there. I didn't see anybody panicking, didn't see anybody freaking out, losing their mind. How I see so many folks on YouTube that are filled with fear, losing their mind, closing their portfolios, and tapping out. So shouts out to everybody over there in the Patreon who's been staying 10 toes down, sticking to the script and trusting the doggone process. So let's go ahead and look at the coin of the day. The coin of the day is none other than BeerCoin. BeerCoin is a meme coin on the Solana ecosystem. We understand that this particular cycle, meme coins have been very prevalent. They have been in the forefront of this particular bull market. Like I say, don't try to be the smartest in the room. Take what the market is giving you, and that is how you ride and dominate the bull market. So we understand that meme coins are going to be a thing and a sector to be reckoned with this particular cycle. Meme coin, the Solana ecosystem have been producing and generating a lot of new meme coins. These meme coins have been making a lot of gains. After they make the gains, we see the dips, like we see the dips in all the other altcoins. But with the meme coins, they spike up a lot heavier than the traditional altcoins. And when they dip down a lot stronger than your traditional altcoins. BeerCoin is a new coin that came out about June 2024. So this coin only been out for about 3 months. When this coin came out on the scene, there was a lot of hoopla about it. The community started to grow very quick because it was named BeerCoin. So many people like beer, especially men. We know there's a lot of men in cryptocurrency. So when they saw a coin named BeerCoin, they flocked to it, and that's all it takes with a meme coin. You get a large community, you start to get folks to rally around it, and before you know it, you got a doggone super powerful coin. This coin hit the scene, and in a matter of days, this coin was sitting at $300 million market cap. Started to go through the correction with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. And if you take a look at BeerCoin today, the market cap for BeerCoin is $10 million. So if it get back to its all-time high market cap level from just 3 months ago, $300 million, you're talking about a quick 30x. And that is how fast and how quick altcoins and meme coins, especially with cryptocurrency, can flip and head in an upward direction or head in a downward direction. Currently, right now, we know we are near the bottom, especially for coins like BeerCoin. This thing is at a $10 million market cap. If it was to get to a $100 million market cap, Boom, that is a quick 10x. In a previous video, we talked about some of the strategies, some of the charts that we've been paying attention to from the previous cycles. And from the previous cycles, it has shown that the new altcoins that are released the year of the Bitcoin halving, those are some of the coins that have super parabolic blowout tops. These particular coins perform better than some of the coins that's been around for several cycles. So BeerCoin is a coin that we've been dollar cost averaging in. We're buying this thing dirt cheap. We're going to buy it low. We're going to ride it to the top, whatever that top is, but we're going to watch the market. Whenever we think that the market is getting ready to go through a correction, we'll take profits out of BeerCoin, sell it at the top, wait till it corrects, get back down. We'll just rinse and repeat like we've been doing in so many other plays. So, but BeerCoin, if you do want to be a Wild West shooter, this is a coin you may want to just hold in your back pocket and ride this thing all the way up to 2025. Who knows where a coin like BeerCoin can start to rank at when the parabolic altcoin season really start to kick in 2025. We understand that the meme coin community can really send this coin to crazy levels. Currently, right now, this is the number 991st largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. Market cap is very low. We're talking about a $10 million market cap. So it's coins like this that could change your life around. If this coin was to catch on, some type of catalyst start to get infused in this particular coin, the BeerCoin community really start to rally, this coin can really do and be something special come the year of 2025. You just never know which coin or coins are going to be those coins that's going to do a 250x, going to do a 30x. If this coin get back to $300 million, that's a 30x. You know, it already shown that it could reach a $300 million market cap, and that was just 3 months ago. So right now we are in the beginning of September. Where will BeerCoin be at in November or January of this next few months? Could do a 30x, could do a 40x, who knows? But hey, it may only do a 10x. And like I said before, a coin that does a 10x is a success of a coin. So it's real important for us to pay attention to some of your most favorite altcoins that are out there. If you got the coins while they're down, you want to buy them while they're down. While the fear is so low, everybody is panicking. Those are buying opportunities. That is when we like to go shopping and start to fill our bag with some of the greatest altcoins that are out there, whether it's a large cap coin, small cap coin, meme coin, because ultimately you want to have your portfolio diverse. You want to have some large cap coins, small cap coins, some meme coins. Making sure that you're buying at the bottom is very important. If you buy at the bottom, you will be one of the ones to get rewarded when the market starts to recover. Today is a day where the market is recovering. You got coins like BeerCoin up 15-20% on the day. So many other small cap coins that we're in is up 10 to 20% on the day. So these are the days that we like. We love to see the green days. We also understand that we have yet to see the doggone altcoin season. Altcoin season is what everybody's waiting on. What day will it start? How high will it go? So forth and so on. Patience is very important. Dollar cost averaging in during these dips is very important. Then you just kick back, watch the charts, run it up. We know we're still early. We haven't even had the presidential election, haven't had the interest rate reductions and all that kind of stuff. So we still got a lot of catalysts that is laid out before us. We're just going to sit back and stick to the script, trust the process, and stick to the fundamentals that we know and that we have been trusting based on the previous 4-year cycles that we have been studying. But BeerCoin is one of the new coins we've been rocking with. One of the young men in the Patreon introduced me to that coin months ago, but recently we've seen this doggone coin market cap just get confirmed. Another coin that I just started to dollar cost average in is Success Kid. Success Kid is another meme coin over there on the Solana ecosystem. Market cap $2 million. The market cap is verified, it's confirmed. High risk, high reward. But if this thing really starts to rip, if it get to a $200 million market cap, that's your 100x. So For me, I'll get a little bit of skin in the game. High risk, high reward. If this thing do pump and start to run, I'll make out um, like a big whale. My portfolio will really be blessed by plays like Success Kid, BeerCoin, if these things were to really start to run during this parabolic season. So come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. Coming to you every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.